baby octopus.
When the sun is up and the sky is clear, the zoo comes alive, the fun starts here. No need to wait for the dark of night. The animals party in broad daylight. The parrots squawk their morning tune, dancing bright under the golden moon. The monkeys swing from tree to tree, shouting, "Come on, play with me." The elephants march, big and proud, trumpeting songs both strong and loud. The penguins waddle in a fancy line, sliding on ice, they think it's fine. The zebras trot in a stripy parade, wearing sunglasses, looking cool in the shade. The lions lounge but give a roar. When the music starts, they want more. The kangaroos bounce, the giraffes peak high. The flamingos stretch to the bluest sky. The turtles race, though slow they try, cheered by meerkats standing by. The rhinos tap their heavy feet in a clumsy but charming jungle beat. Even the snakes join in the cheer, wiggling to rhythms only they hear. And when the sun begins to set, the animals rest with no regret. For all day long they ran and played in the bright, wild, fun-filled zoo parade. When the sun begins to set, the animals rest with no regret. For all day long they ran and played in the bright, wild, fun-filled zoo parade. In the bright, wild, fun-filled zoo parade.